Garment frame usage tutorial. How to clamp garments with a garment frame. First, we insert the frame with screws inside the garment. Place it at the position where you want to embroider. Then put the backing paper inside. If embroidering from the front, this side should face up. If embroidering from the reverse side, it should face down. We are embroidering from the front here. Then align the frame and press it into place. If it's too loose, you can adjust the tightness using the screw inside. Installing the left and right handles of the garment frame. For the left handle, align it with the outermost screw. Engage the grooves on both sides. Push it all the way in and then tighten the screws. The right side is the same. Push it all the way in and tighten the screws. Next is embroidery release. Select the embroidery frame you want to use. We selected the 100/100 size. We installed the prepared garment onto it. Then exit the frame menu. Select the embroidery pattern you want. Select the embroidery colors you want. You can use the arrow keys up, down, lefty, right to select the embroidery position. If it exceeds the embroidery frame limits, the system will prompt a warning. You can also choose center embroidery. Then proceed to confirm the embroidery pattern. Press Start to begin embroidery. After embroidery is completed, remove the garment. Gently lift the garment frame. Pull it outward to remove. The garment frame set comes with 5 sizes in total. The installation methods are the same.